number 19. Sorry, excuse me. Number 19, John Cabusao, and number 18, Camille, John Marie Camillo. Number 0, Josh Tan. Okay, let's go. Referees for tonight is Kuya Ryan and Jaren. First possession belongs to Taxmark Cafe. Oh, sorry, it's rule 22. Nalaita shot, no good rebound. Chanova for the layup. Good 22. Strikes first. Tam to Cabusa from deep. No good. Rebound, Canino. Sean to Canino. Same spot, no good. Rebound. Ends up with Malbas. Last touch on Taxmark Cafe. Galaitos to Chanova, quick trigger, no good, rebound Sean. Tan to Cabusao. Pass to Camilo, touch pass to Cabusao for a score. Deadlock to all. Capuso, corner 3, no good. Rebound, Capuno. Malbas, short stud, no good. Rebound, Ayuba. Galaites for Trey. Uses the window for Trey. Best back banking for Mike Galaites. Cabusao to Canino. Canino for Trey. Too strong. Rebound, Sean. Sean, foul on the floor, hands foul, number 18, Malbas. First personal foul, first team down. Stanley to Sean. Sean inside, overshoots, rebound Malbas. Echanova, 100%. Echanova to Ayungao. Ayungao overshoots, rebound shot. Stanley to Tan. Tan to Stanley. Stanley drives and Stanley scores. Galaites to Capuno. Malbas. Echanova to Galaites. Galaites from deep. No good. 3 seconds on the key. Too long inside the shaded area. Turnover. 22. Camilo to Stanley. Stanley wide open play. No good. Ayungao secures the board. Next sublet. Echanova, pass. Last touch on Taxmark Cafe. Substitution rep. Sub. Canino for Valerio. Ayungao to Malbas. Malbas. No good in the shot. Rebound. Cabusao. Process. Stolen by Capuno. Galaites from deep, no good, rebound, and sa puwet, Ayungao. Ayungao to Malbas. Malbas, to play up, no good, rebound. Gulao. And no look pass to Cabusao for a score. One-point lead by Taxmark Cafe. Pass to Malbas. Last touch on Taxmark Cafe. 13 on the shot clock. Ayungao to Capuno. To Echanova. Echanova drives. Overshoots. Rebound shot. Sean with number. Sean drives. Last touch on blue shirts. Possession, Taxmark Cafe. Substitution rep. Capuno for Metante. Oh, sorry, it's Ayungao for Metante. Oh no, it's Ayungao for Samson. Bulaon. Shot by Cabuso, is fouled underneath the basket, number 18, Malbas. Second on Malbas, second team for blue shirts, with 22. Sean short on the first free throw. One out of two for Sean Cabuso. Samson, foul on the floor. Hands foul, also number 30, Valerio. First personal foul, first team out. Chanova from deep, short, Dilban Bulaon. Chan from deep, no good, Dilban Balbas. Shot put in half as a foul. Foul is on number 0, Josh Dan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution rep. Sean Cabuso for JM Santos. So chance for an N1 for Metante. Deadlock sa Denol. Bonus meters good for Metante. The lead belongs now to Rock 22. Valerio, tapos na kay Trey, bang! 2 minutes and 30 seconds in the first quarter. Metante kicks it out to Malbas, corner Trey, too strong, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 94, Stanley Cabuso. First personal foul, 13-5. Baseline inbound for Road 22. Pass deflected. Possession remains with the Blue Shirts. Malbas to ating Metante. Touch pass to Samson inside. Hooper na all for Nagao. For Marvin Samson. Foul is on number 0. Josh Dan. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Bonus free throws good for Samson. 1 point lead by 22. 7-2. Valerio to Stanley. Stanley to Josh Dan. Valerio, ball recovered by JM Santos. JM, one shot. Basket is good for JM Santos. 1 point lead by Taxmark Cafe. Chanova, Galaites. Galaites to Malbas. What a pass. Super is good for Malbas. Stanley, tamang kapit Trey, no good. Marvin with the fourth. Marvin, strong back to the basket, no good. Put back by Malbas, no good. Rebound Malbas. seconds to shoot. Shot clock is off. Shot by Galaitas, there's a foul. Foul on number 30, Valerio. Second personal foul, penalty. That's the end of the first quarter. 2 shots will be given to Galaitas. First free throw short for Galaitas. One out of 2 for Galaitas. That's led in the first quarter, 14-12 in favor of Route 22, traveling tours. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession. Taxmark Cafe. Taxmark down by 2. Sean to Valerio. Looking for a teammate. Bounce pass to Sean. Sean. Pass deflected. Stolen by Samson. There's a foul on the floor. Foul on number 18. Canillo, first personal foul, who's foul, rep? Number 19, sorry, Sean Cabusa. Sorry, my bad. Sean Cabusa's first personal foul, first team foul. Take away. Balbas to the tanker. Looking for a Micha this match. Balbas. Pabakit, in and out, rebound and Zapid. Balbas. Balbas, strong back to the basket. Tumatante, shot by Metante. Copenhagen for the foul. Foul is on number 19. Sean Cabusa, second personal foul. Second team foul. What a drive by Metante. Off the pass by Balbas, I reckon. Bonus free throw, chance for at M1 for Metante. Free throw is good for Metante. Anil with the ball. 17-12. 17-12 is the score. Stanley shot, no good. Rebound. Cabusa to Santos. Santos from deep, good. Rebound, Cabusa. Pass to Valerio. Valerio to Cabusa. Challenge by Balbas. Shot is good for Stanley. Lead is 3 for 22. Metante driving baseline. Pass intercepted by Cabusa. Cabusa out of the single galit. Cadillo for a layup. What is that? Samson drives. Metante to Capuno from deep. Short. Rebound. Shot Cabusa. Canillo to Sean. Sean drives. Sean scores for a layup. Timeout. Route 22. Who's fouled it?
18 dapat kami, 12 first quarter.
18-17 is the score. Lamang kayo. 18-17 is the score.
Hindi kami naman, balikan.
Lamang kayo.
Kami night.
Who's fouled it? first foul. 23 Samson. First personal foul, first team foul. Official score, 18 for Taxmark Cafe, 17 for Route 22, Traveling Tour. Taxmark Cafe leading by 1. Chance for Taxmark to add to the 1-point lead. Chance for end one for Sean Cabusa. End one is completed. Free throw is good for Sean. 2-point lead by Taxmark Cafe. And Chanova with the ball. Pass to Marvin. Love pass. A good rebound. Sean. Cabusa goes to post. Block denied by Galaites. Rebound Cabusa to Canillo. Jumper no good. Santos in the offensive rebound and putback. Putback is good for Jillian Santos. 21-17 is the score in favor of Taxmark Cafe. Galaites strips by Valerio. Standing to the Canillo for a layup. Chanova, guarded by Canillo. Screen by Sanson. Layup by Chanova. High tracking layup is good. Lead is 4 for Taxmark Cafe. Stanley cross-court pass his brother Sean. Wild shot by Sean, no good. Rebound, Galaites. Galaites drops it up to Marvin for a layup. What a fine, sweet pass by Galaites. 2-point lead by Taxmark Cafe. Stanley, fearless drive, challenged by two blue shirt, putback no good. This time again, putback is good for Stanley. He can be denied. 4-point lead by the red shirt. Lifting violation committed by Chanova. Substitution rep, time for Cabusa. Bulaon for JM. Four-point lead by the red shirts. Valerio from deep, way off. Air ball for Jared Valerio. Substitution rep. Push sub for Sabigan for Balbas. 3 minutes and 27 remaining in the second quarter. Galaites to Malbas from deep. Too strong rebound of Galaites. Drops it up to Marvin. Marvin reverse layup. Is a foul on the floor. Foul on Taxmark, number 6. Bulaon. First personal foul, 13 foul. First free throw is good for Marvin. Cutting the lead to 3 for 22. Throw out of 2 for Marvin Sanson. The lead is got down to 3. 22, 35, 23 is the score. Canillo from deep, way off, rebound, then sa twin. Bulaon. Pass to Valerio, intercepted by Malbas. Malbas off to the races. Malbas, no good, rebound Marvin. Put back by Marvin is good. Time ball game, 25 apiece. 25 all is the score. 25 all. Sean Cabuzao moving from Palestine. 28-25 in favor of Taxmart Cafe. Capuno driving baseline. Low on the short, rebound shot. Valerio. Pass to Canillo, too strong on the pass. Last touch on Taxmart Cafe. Missed opportunity for Taxmart Cafe. The lead is 3 for the Red Shirts. A minute and 16 in the second quarter. And Chanovas from the basket. Oh, score! Kuppenham as a foul. For Chanova, foul is on number 6. Mula ang second personal foul. Fan is second personal foul. Bonus rate is good for AJ Chanova. 30-28 is the score in favor of Route 22. Blue Shirts leading by 2. Route 22 and 29 for 28 for Taxmart Cafe. 8 seconds to shoot. Not any violation committed by Camilo. Last 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. And Chanova with a hit over rebound shot. That's the end of the first half. Official score 30 for Route 22. 28 for Taxmart Cafe. Back to the ball game. This is the second half. Group 22 with a 2-point lead heading to the second half. Metante for Samson. Samson denied from behind, but there's a foul. Foul is on number 19. Sean Cabuzao. That's 3 on Cabuzao. First team foul on Taxmart. 2 free throws will be given to Marvin Samson. First free throw is good for Marvin. Two out of 2 for Marvin Samson. Cabuzao. Stanley is somewhere to the basket for a score. Forza Vigan to Malbas. Malbas, one shot na good rebound shot na Busal. Sean to Stanley. Stanley to Pan. Moves closer. There's a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 18, Malbas. Third personal foul, first team foul. Two free throws will be given to Josh Tan. First free throw is good for 10. Cutting the lead to 1 for Taxman. Two out of 2 for Josh Tan. Tying the ball in, 32 feet. Forza Vigan, wide open play, no good, rebound, Bulao. Stanley, to Canillo, corner play, no good, Marvin with the board. Marvin to Metante. Metante to Marvin. Marvin drive, hand time, Coleman Hahn, that's a foul to Marvin Sampson. Foul is on number 94. Stanley, second personal foul, second team foul. So, sorry. Chance for an end one for Marvin Sampson. Bonus free throw is good for Marvin. 3-point lead for Route 22. Stanley, guarded by two blue shirts. To Tan left wide open, makes them pay. Tied ball game, turning by the lead. Forza Vigan, riding the show for Route 22. Pass to Ayumaw. Forza Vigan, 3 seconds inside the pin. Turnover for Route 22. Samson pleading his case. Sean to Tan to Stanley, wide open play. Yes, sir! Cabuzao gives Taxman Cafe the lead. 38-35. Forza Vigan to Metante. Metante spins. Layup is good! What a shot by Metante. Super shot for Arman Metante. Sean, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 18, Carl Malbas. That's 4 on Malbas. Second on Route 22 Sabret. Malbas for the lightest. Capuno for Forza Vigan. Ayumaw for Hechanova. Ayumaw for Malbas, Hechanova. The lightest for Malbas. Capuno for Forza Vigan. First free throw is no good for Sean. 1 point lead by Taxmart Cafe. 1 out of 2 for Sean Cabusa. 2-point game in favor of Taxmart Cafe. Forza Vigan to Capuno. Capuno to Forza Vigan. Forza Vigan spins. Echanova, corner tray, money! The lead regained by Route 22. 1 point game in favor of the Blue Shirt. Sean to Stanley. Stanley will answer. Short. Rebound for Savigan. For Savigan. Pushing up the tempo. One shot lower. Rebound Marvin. Marvin punta na third. That's a foul. Foul on Taxmart Cafe. Who's foul rep? Number 94, Stanley Abusal, third personal foul. Third team foul. Chance for an end one for Marvin. 39-42 in favor of Route 22. Bonus free throw na good, taps by. Push ball red. Pushing foul on red. Number 94, Stanley Abusal. That's 4 on Abusal. 14 foul on Daxford Cafe. Sideline throw in. Sub rep, sub. Sub rep. Oh, sub loose favor. Cancels the sub. Jared Portion. The lead is 3 for Route 22. Hey, Chanova drives. Reverse layup is good. For Chanova. What's the goal then? Technical foul on number 94. Standing Abusal. That's it for the night for Stanley. 5th personal foul. That's it for the night. So, Stanley out of the playing area. So, that's it for the night for Stanley. Stanley for J.M. Santos. So, free throws will be given to Route 22. So, 2 free throws will be given to the Blue Shirts, Route 22. Technical free throw, first technical free throw is good for Capuno. 6-point lead now for the Blue Shirts. One out of 2 for Capuno. Possession, Blue Shirts. A minute and 34 remaining. Sideline throw in for Route 22. A minute and 23. Netante to Capuno. Capuno, elbow jumper. Manego Capuno. Santos jumper over here on Marvin. What's the call, ref? Foul is on who's foul, ref? Number 18. Echanova's first personal foul, third game foul, sub ref. Cabuso for Camilo. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Lead is 8 for Route 22. Pass intended for time is too high. Last 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Echanova with a hit. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 47 for Route 22, 39 for Taxmat Cafe. Okay, let's proceed to the final quarter. This is the last and final quarter of the ball game. Group 22 heading to the final quarter with an 8-point lead. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Taxmart Coffee. Sean looking for a teammate. Tan. Kabusa lining up from deep, no good. Rebound Echanova. Echanova to Marvin. Marvin drives. Reverse layup short on Canillo. Canillo off to the races. Strong drive to the basket. Overshoot. Put back over by Sean. Shot by Sean. Foul by Marvin. Foul on Marvin. Second personal foul. First one foul. Sean Kabusa will go to the line for 2 free throws. First free throw is good for Sean. Two out of two for Sean Kabusa. Cutting the lead to 6. 47-61. 47-41. Sorry. Apuno, step back three. No good, rebound Galaites. Galaites to Marvin. Marvin loses the handle. Recovered by Canillo. To Tan. Tan, transition, layup, overshoots, rebound Canillo. Put back no good. Rebound Canillo. Canillo from deep. No good. Last touch on blue shirts. Possession, Taxmart Coffee. Last game for tonight, Incar versus Lubinaquer. Valerio fakes, moves closer, no good, rebound, Echanova. Galaites with the ball. Galaites taps it up to Marvin, shot no good, there's a foul. Foul is on number 8, Canillo. Canillo, first personal foul, first team foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Marvin Samson. 7 minutes and 15. 6-point lead by the blue shirts. First free throw is good for Marvin. 48-41, 7-point lead by Route 22 Traveling Tours. 1 out of 2 for Marvin, rebound Bolano. Sloppy play for Taxmart and first turnover for Taxmart Cafe. 7 minutes and 14 in the last quarter. For Sovigan to Capuno. Echanova, corner tray, short. Canillo secures the board. Canillo, drop pass to Valerio. Valerio drives, shot over Viva Marvin. Echanova with the ball. Next up, for Sabigan, wide open tray. No good, rebound. Marvin. Marvin, that's the basket. No good, rebound. Sean. Sean off to the races. Sean comes it up to 10. Denied, that is a foul. Foul number 2, Echanova. Second personal foul. Substitution rep. Second team foul. Sub rep. Canillo for Santos. Two free throws will be awarded to and Josh Tan. First free throw is good for Josh Tan. Second free throw is good for Josh Tan. Cutting the lead to 5, 48-43 in favor of Route 22. Marvin, give and go with Capuno. Capuno, jumper, no good, rebound, and the quick Galaites. Galaites, put back, no good. Unlucky rebound for Malon. Hand in the ball. Time drives, there's a foul on the floor. Time out, rep, time out. Foul number 26 for Sobigan. First personal foul, third team foul. Timeout. Route 22 Travel and Tours. 5 minutes and 08 seconds in the last quarter. Our last game for tonight, Lumina Clear versus InCar AutoCare. Hey, back to the ball game. 48-43. Two free throws will be given to Josh Tan after the foul of Puerto Rican. Mitante checks in for Puerto Rican. 4 minutes and 16. Taxmark down by 5. Taxmark playing underman after Stanley is thrown out of the ball game. First free throw is good for 10. Cutting the lead to 4. Here comes Taxmark. Two out of 2 for Josh Tan. Perfect on the free throw line. Cutting the lead to 3. 3 minutes and 42. Hold on to your seats. Mitante. To Malbas. Malbas to Echanova. 5 seconds to shoot. Echanova, one shot is good for Echanova. 5-point game. Santos to Tan. Sean to JM. JM from deep. No good. Rebound in sa Mitante. Mitante, survive to the basket. No good. Rebound. Galaites for the buka. The lead is 7. Over 22. Mulao to Tan. Tan to Camilo. To Sean. Sean under the rest. Stolen by Malbas. Malbas up to the races. Malbas. Good player is good. Lead is 9. Tan backs it up to Mulao. To the score. Christian Bonao. Foul is on number 23, Samson. Third personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 foul on Route 22. Chance for M1 for Bulacan. No good. Rebound. Echanova. What's the call, ref? Blocking foul on number 0, Josh Tan. Third personal foul. Second team foul. Sideline throw in. for Route 22. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Route 22 up by 7. Metante dancing with Canino. To Malbas. Malbas breaks. Step back three. No good. Rebound. James Samuel. Samson. Samson. To Malbas. Last 2 minutes. Malbas. Shot. Blocked from behind. There's a foul on the floor. Foul is on number 13, Santos. First personal foul, 13 foul. A minute and 50 left. 2 free throws awarded to Malbas. First free throw is good for Malbas. Eight-point lead by Route 22. 1 out of 2 for Malbas. Rebound, Santos. Canino. Denied by AJ. Rebound by Echanova. Echanova to Galaites. Galaites slows it down. Milking the clock. Time is in favor of Route 22. Galaites. Galaites to Marvin. Last touch on Route 22. Turnover for Route 22. Kabusao to JM. Couldn't handle the pass. Turnover for Taxman. 8-point game. A minute and 24. Echanova to Marvin. Marvin, pass deflected by Danilo. Recovered by Malbas. Mid-range Giants good. Han dancing with Metante. Han shot, no good, he gets fouled. He's going to the line for 2 fouls on Metante. Number 13, first personal foul penalty. A minute and 7 left. 10. He shoots 2 free throws. Taxman. First free throw is good for Justin. Lead is 9. 57-48. Two out of 2 for Justin. Lead 49-57. 8-point game. Metante. Dancing with Canillo. Metante, one shot, no good, rebound, and sa quick pass. Echanova. To Galaites. Galaites from deep. No good, rebound, and sa quick Canillo. To Jostan. Jostan drives. Jostan scores. The lead is 6. Plenty of time left. What's the call, ref? Foul, hands foul is on number 19, Sean Kabusao. 4th personal foul, warning for penalty. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Echanova to Galaites. Foul on the floor, it's on Sean. That's it for Sean Kabusao. Penalty left. Sean Kabusao, 5th personal foul, penalty. Valerio for Kabusao. Galaites will shoot 2 free throws. Last game for tonight is the ready Lumina Care versus Incar Auto Care. First free throw is good for Galaites. The lead is 7. Second one no good. Second Bulaon. Lane violation for Route 22. Possession, Taxmart. Tan with the ball. Tan to JM. Force from deep. He's strong. Rebound is a great Malbas. To Galaites. Galaites. Transition layup is good. Danilo from deep. No good. Zivan Bolan. That's it for the night. Official score. 60 for Route 22 and 51 for Taxmart Cafe. 60-51 in favor of Route 22, Taxmart. Route 22, covering 2. Last game for tonight, Lumina Care versus